welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this star motif. And for that you'll need yarn of your choice. I am using 100% cotton yarn for this video and a hook. I am using a size 3mm hook for this video. And to begin with, we are going to make a magic circle first. If you don't know how to make a magic circle, I have a separate detailed video for the same. I'll link it in the description box below. And once you make this magic circle, now we are going to make 15 double crochets in this magic circle. So for that, we're first going to chain 3. And this chain 3 is going to be counted as our first double crochet. And now we're going to make 14 more double crochets in this magic circle. So we'll yarn over, insert a hook in that magic circle, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So this is our second double crochet. We'll make one more double crochet, 2, we'll make a third one, so we'll make a total of 15 double crochets in this magic circle, including that chain 3. I'll just fast forward this video for you. Also, if you don't know how to make these basic crochet stitches, I have a separate series for the same. I'll link it in the description box below as well. So here we are going to make our last double crochet, and we have made 15 double crochets in this magic circle, of course including the chain 3. Now we are going to pull through that string. We are going to just pull that string, and our stitches are going to come together to form a circle like that. So just pull as tight as you can so that there are no holes in between. And now we are going to insert a hook in that loop, and we're going to make a slip stitch in the third chain of that chain 3. So we are going to insert a hook in the third chain, we are going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through both the loops. So this is a slip stitch. So once a circle is formed, it should somewhat look like this. Now we are going to make the second round. For that, we are first going to chain 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have made a chain 6. Now we are going to make a single crochet in that second chain. So we'll insert a hook in that second chain, yarn over, pull through. We'll have 2 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through both. Now in the next chain, we're going to make a half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over the hook, insert a hook in that next chain, yarn over, pull through. We'll have 3 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now in the next chain, we're going to make a double crochet. So we're going to make a double crochet stitch in that next chain. We'll yarn over, pull through 2 loops, we'll yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. And now in the next chain we are going to make a treble crochet. For that we'll yarn over twice. We are going to insert our hook in that next chain. We'll yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 4 loops on a hook. We'll yarn over, pull through 2. Now we'll have 3 loops. We'll yarn over, pull through 2. We'll be left with 2 loops. We'll yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops as well. Now in the next chain as well, we are going to make a treble crochet. So we'll make a treble crochet in this last chain over here. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So this is how it should look like. Now we are going to make a slip stitch in the third stitch. So we are going to leave 2 stitches now, and in that third stitch we are going to make a slip stitch. So we are going to insert a hook in that third stitch. We'll yarn over, pull through, and we are going to pull through that loop as well. So here it should somewhat look like this. So this is our first triangle, and we are going to make 4 more triangles. Again we are going to chain 6 and we are going to continue doing this. After chaining 6, we are going to make a single crochet stitch in the second chain. In the next chain, we are going to make a half double crochet stitch. In the next chain, we are going to make a double crochet stitch. In the next chain, we are going to make a treble crochet stitch. And in the next chain, we are going to make another treble crochet stitch as well. Now our second triangle is ready. Now we are going to leave 2 stitches on that circle, and we are going to insert a hook in that third stitch, and we are going to make a slip stitch over there. So this is how it should look like. Now I'm going to make 3 more triangles and I'll see you at the end of this row. So here we have made all the 5 triangles of the star, and now we are going to make a border. So for that we are going to chain 1 and we are going to make a single crochet stitch in each of the stitches. So we are just going to keep making single crochet stitches so that it will look more pulled together and it is going to look better with a border. So here we are making single crochet stitches. And in the 6th stitch of that triangle, we are going to make a single crochet stitch, and now we are going to chain 2. So this chain 2 is going to form our point of that triangle, and we are going to make a single crochet stitch in that same 6th stitch so that our star looks nice and pointy. And we are going to continue doing this in every other stitch, and I'll see you at the end of this row. So once our star is complete, it should somewhat look like this. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!